This is what the firefight looks like in the mountains outside Los Angeles. The air attack swooping in just above fiery ridges, multi-million-dollar homes on the brink of disaster.
I am surrounded by fire.
Many neighborhoods overrun by an unstoppable wall of fire, a vortex of smoke and flames closing in.
It was a tornado. I mean, it wasn't going like this, it was swirling.
With embers raining down, firefighters face a hellscape, losing more homes over the weekend and 2 new flare-ups today, causing panic on the freeway.
In neighborhoods like this one, where brush fires are burning, they could easily ignite nearby homes.
Across the state, the damage and devastation is staggering. The death toll climbing to at least 31. More than 7,000 structures have burned, while tonight across California, 70,000 homes are still in the path of fire.
How quickly is this fire jumping from hill to hill?
Very fast, very fast.
Destroying subdivisions in the West Valley and mansions in Malibu, Neil Young, Miley Cyrus, and actor Gerard Butler all lost their homes.
Welcome to my home in Malibu.
Everyone grateful for first responders, including the president, who himself came under fire for blaming the blaze on California's management of forest land. Critics blasting back, calling the statement ill-timed. But tonight on the front lines, no time for politics for those facing peril.
There's nothing left of anything.
With the loss here mounting, tonight more danger is looming. The winds threatening to unleash hell on earth again. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News, Malibu.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.